What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know I haven't posted a video in quite a while. Been kind of busy with life. We got a young kid that's a newborn, I guess. But anyways, haven't been able to get out, make YouTube videos, do anything with the machine and go riding. But today we are gonna go riding. I got my buddy Kyle here. He's never rode in one of these, I guess, sport side-by-sides you'd call it. So we're gonna go out, probably run up to St Helen and go for a quick rip. It's probably, what, 40 something degrees out right now?
Yeah, I'd say so.
40 something and raining, so it's a good thing that we got the upper doors and stuff on the machine. I'll probably flip the camera back on once we get out in the trails and go from there. All right, we made it to the St. Helen Sand Bowl up here. I mean, it's still rainy and cold, but at least we're enclosed. The only issue is with being fully enclosed, when you stop, the windshield gets pretty fogged up. So hopefully some of that GoPro footage was at least watchable. We're probably gonna hang out here, rip around a little bit, and see what we can find. Definitely with the packy sand, it feels a lot muddier. I mean, the back tires are clearing out, but the front ones are kind of just sliding because these Maxxis Liberties hold a lot of sand. But yeah, we're gonna rip around and see what we can run into. So it is the next day. When we got back yesterday, I decided to just go ahead and spray the X3 right off, kind of get it out of the way. That way I didn't have to deal with it. So I went ahead, cleaned that up, and then put it back in here. The trails were muddy, but I mean, they weren't like terribly muddy. Like, I've definitely been out on them when they were a lot worse. I feel like most of the mud actually came from the back roads on the way up there, because for some reason the county decided to grade the roads while it's raining and then turn them into a soup sandwich. So you get pretty much that just like diarrhea mist all over your machine when you drive down the roads. But got it all cleaned up anyhow, so it's all good to go. I didn't really film a whole lot. We met up with the M3 Offroad guys, super cool dudes. They always comment on my videos and stuff. They show a lot of support to the channel. It was sweet that they hit me up, said that they're gonna be in the area, so that's kind of why we went up there. But yeah, I got to ride with them. They got some pretty badass machines. So you'll probably see videos and rides with them guys in the future. As the kids getting older, I'll be able to go out and do more things, so we'll probably meet up with them guys a little bit more and go riding with them. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I know I kind of dropped the ball this year on getting videos out, but with me and the wife working separate schedules, me working pretty much 6 days a week and having a 1-year-old, I don't really find a whole lot of time to get out and go riding and make videos for YouTube. But as the kid gets older, hopefully we'll be able to get back on a schedule and continue to upload. My goal for 2023 was to get 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, which with me kind of not uploading as much, we didn't get there. I mean, we're just shy of it. I think we're just under 1.9 thousand subscribers. But yeah, hopefully going into 24, I'll be able to consistently upload, get back on a schedule, grow the channel, and I mean, at least hit 2,000 subs this year. Ideally, hopefully 3,000 if I can continue to get content out. But this little bit more chill video, took my buddy Kyle out. He never rode a side-by-side. He said he had a bunch of fun. He said he definitely wants to go again. He did mention on the way up there, he was a little more nervous than on the way back. He kind of got used to the machine. He said there's a couple spots, which we didn't get on camera, where if you know the St. Helen area, we were going along the railroad on the north side of town. We were hitting them whoops pretty much flat out. And he said that was pretty cool. So you'll probably see Kyle in a couple more videos. He's into photography and video making and a bunch of cool stuff. But anyways, he'll probably be in some of the videos going forwards. Anyways, like I said, pretty short video. Pretty chill video, just a little bit of riding, taking a little bit slower pace than what we're used to and what the channel's usually about. Got to see some cool trails I've never ridden, which was awesome. But if you guys like this video, all I ask is you smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. It costs you nothing. It's free. If you guys got any comments, drop them down below. When you guys are watching this, I know it's probably New Year's Day, so hopefully you guys had a great New Year's Eve. Hopefully you have a great 2024. Hopefully you guys had a great holiday altogether. Until next time, guys, I'm out.